It's never been easy to manage the power of nature, whether it's due to tsunamis or earthquakes, landslides, volcanic activity, or man-made issues. Real-time monitoring is essential, from monitoring the structural integrity of the most vulnerable support areas of our bridges, to ensuring the wall integrity of steep slopes of earth and mining structures, from searching for strain on dams and landslide detection within dam retaining areas, to calculating the effect of tunneling construction on the structures nearby and above. Effective real-time monitoring is essential to protecting buildings, hillsides, urban infrastructure, and of course, the people who live and work near them. But monitoring today's world is challenging. Architecture and infrastructures are increasingly complex, and regulatory requirements are increasing. In seismically active areas, developers and contractors need robust, accurate, real-time data to mitigate the impact of disasters and confirm that their assets are safe. And departments of transportation and urban planning groups are also hungry for monitoring data. That's why a growing number of asset owners and operators are turning to Trimble for their real-time monitoring solution needs. All across the world, Trimble monitoring equipment and software are on the job. The systems are gathering and analyzing data on hundreds of construction sites and are doing so with remarkable precision, 24 hours a day, every day, year after year. Highly precise Trimble monitoring solutions include sensors that can be monitored and controlled remotely from the office and moved when they need to move to monitor different stages of a project. Trimble's powerful software delivers data in real time, enabling rapid decisions while reducing costs and risks. So any time of the day or night, you're ready the minute there's a problem. Trimble systems are also monitoring the uncontrollable activities that can affect the stability of natural structures. From scientific research to hazard mitigation applications, Trimble has robust seismic and earthquake solutions to deliver the visual data and analysis you need to make the right decisions at the right time. Trimble monitoring systems also play a vital role in protecting buildings and other man-made structures. Trimble's precise monitoring sensors detect trouble and deliver the specifics and analysis you need to take action when unexpected challenges occur. The systems are always on the job, always ready to alert you, wherever you are, whatever happens. At the heart of every Trimble monitoring solution is unrivaled software. Robust and powerful, Trimble 4D control monitoring software offers a high level of compatibility, even as it delivers unparalleled details and information, with complete sensor management that enables you to customize and add instruments, sensors, and functionality as your project needs to change and expand, and with tools to create visual results for rigorous analysis and alerting. Trimble 4D can handle the challenge of complex monitoring projects, giving you peace of mind. So whatever your role in this unpredictable, vulnerable, fast-changing world, rely on the one company that offers scalable, adaptable solutions that meet any monitoring challenge. All Trimble products and systems are backed by unparalleled service and support, with over 16 factory support and service locations and over 100 authorized repair centers worldwide. And with over 2,000 distribution partners globally, you're never far away from the support you need, wherever you are. Turn to Trimble and Trimble Monitoring Solutions.